Again, an emoji unboxing, which basically not really necessary because it's just a switch, I guess. A switch that I decided to buy again, since yeah, it is just wanted to use the promotion, the certain e-commerce or marketplace. So yeah, that's the reason why I tried to buy it. Besides, also don't know what I'm exactly wanted to buy while waiting for my dream gadget, even though at this time that I create the emoji, that dream gadget is already fulfilled, so I don't want to immediately expose it or create, since that I just want it to be my own face, so I try to do it face by face, so the earliest time before it was finally fulfilled, I will try to create an emoji first. So even though it is basically a switch, but it is pretty long video. It's almost 3 minutes, I think. So I'm not sure what is the remaining one, because it is already complete. Oh, I think I was trying to clone the switch, because yeah, it is pretty much than usual. At the last time I was buying the switch, so the reason why I want to buy the switch again, because lately the switch, my current keyboard, it seems to be starting to not respond for some reason. I don't know whether it is overblown or not. Yeah, I'm still not changing it either, because at some point it just still work perfectly. I think it's because of the loop. So because it's quite squishy. So basically, even though I have owned a lot of Switch, I haven't bought the big acrylic showcase for those Switch tester, so it can more appropriate to be a collection. So I'm just like put into something plastic, or maybe some Acco box switches if there's still an available space. So yeah, as you can see, it's around 20 switch